The fuselage is completely rusted over. Look here. There's a bullet hole in the windshield. Someone shot it down. Look at this. The fuselage is completely rusted.
Yeah.
There's a bullet hole right through the glass. How did it end up here?
Assessment confirms severe corrosion on the tail boom lattice. Canopy exhibits multiple ballistic punctures and significant stress fractures.
Lift, lift, lift!
Hands, forklift coming out. Mark.
Wire brushes to strip the fuselage.
Strip away rust and grime. This decontamination process prevents corrosion.
Bring the crane up slowly.
Bringing throttle up slowly. Check rotor RPM.
Rotor RPM stabilizing at 90%.